Over there, my in-law. I present cola.
Ichi, I'm not here to eat cola. I'm not here to eat cola. I'm not even eat this kind of cola because I'm not a chief priest. I'm here to tell you and your wife so that you want your son, Abuchi, to stop beating my sister. Let him stop using my sister to flex muscle. My sister is not a punching bag. The next time you will try it, I will come to village square. We will challenge each other.
My in-law, well, this is the first time we are hearing that Abuchi, my son, and his wife, they are having marital issues.
He will not tell you. Yes. When people are doing bad things, they will hide it. He will hide it from you and your wife. See, tell him to be careful. Tell him to be careful. I'm a walk. See, go to my village, ask of Obadiah. Obadiah in a will. Obadiah chapter 1. If you want to challenge me, you go and read Obadiah chapter 1. Once you read first verse, then you know that I'm not somebody you can play with.
Obadiah, my in-law, we've had your complaint. I'm sure there must be problem somewhere. Abuchi is not a madman. And we didn't train him that way.
Oh, yes.
Then what is the problem? Because they say, where you know Yen, the mother is here, the father is here. Who did he take from? Nine, I was again. They said that the woman knows the child, the owner of the child. So ask your wife. Let it not be what I'm thinking, because my sister is not at fault here.
I didn't say so. My in-law, I didn't say so. Just calm down. We will talk to Abuchi. We will definitely call him and talk to him.
Let me start.
Let's have drink for the old time's sake.
No, I don't take this kind of drink. How can you give me your outbreak? Small boy like me. You are offering me drinks like this as if I'm a chief priest. You want me to die young? Please. People should, if you want to offer me something that is edible, so that I can be fresh and live dead here.
Sorry.
No problem. Let me go.
Sit down first now.
Your in-law came. No, you are not.
We are not fighting.
You don't even say if there's any remaining piece.
It's already there. Let me go and bring it.
No, let me go. I'm angry. Let me go.
You are still angry.
Let me go. I don't drink this kind of thing.
Sit down. I'm coming.
I'm
coming. Let me go and bring the food.
Let me go. Don't worry. I'm angry. Can't have you one now, but I'm angry. Let me go.
Odikwa gegwu narụ tụfịa akwa kedu dị mmadụ bụ chei ajọ nwanyị chọ ya ka ọnụ gị na-ekwu emakwa ihe jiri ya nwayọọ ka ị ghara iji ọnụ gị kwugbuo di gị ije nwanyị bụ n'ahịa akpa ị na-eje kpachakwara anya wetu obi ala chọba ịlụta ajọ nwanyị nke ga-agwụna nwanne m ijewe ịlụ nwanyị leru anya gị.
I have changed my mind. You will not leave this marriage.
Really?
In this marriage, divorce is not an option. I'll make you suffer as much pain I suffer every day, remembering how you betrayed me.
Abuchi.
I'll make you suffer more what I suffer. You will suffer 5 times what I suffer every day.
I'm sorry.
We will all live our lives together in this mystery called marriage that you put us. We will spend the rest of our lives in this marriage, knowing how much we despise ourselves.
I'm sorry.
We will live in perpetual hatred each day of our lives whilst the marriage lasts. Caroline.
Please, Abuchi, please.
Caroline.
Please.
Loved you. Caroline, I cared for you. Why, Caroline? Do you know what? I hate you. Caroline, I hate you more as the sun goes down. I hate you more as brightness comes. I hate you even more as I look in your face, remembering what you did to me.
I'm
I
sorry.
hate you knowing that a man goes into you. I hate you.
I'm sorry.
Caroline, I hate you knowing that the lips that I kiss every day for years, a man kisses it. Caroline, I hate you knowing that you open your legs wide for a man to enter. Caroline, I hate you.
Who is that animal driving into my compound? As if this place is level field.
And who is that idiot opening his rotten cavity anyhow without respect and regard? Listen, I have come to warn you. You better take your time. The next time, the next time these two left legs gets to my compound and you start disturbing my parents, what I will do to you, you will not in your life forget it. What is it? Why are you bothering my old parents? Why are you going there to complain? Are you okay? If you have issues with me, come to me directly. Not behaving like a coward that you are.
I'm not afraid of people driving black car, wearing pink clothes. Do you understand? I don't have time for drug addicts. People that are selling drugs to make money. Respect my sister. Don't beat my sister again. My sister did not fall from the sky.
Village stout. Efulefu. Madman. Look at you. Akpo anwoke puta. Idiot. Makibu here.
But then they have from number one.
Listen. Let me warn you. Do you understand? Don't talk to me anyhow. You should talk to me with respect. Because I am your second chief. You're talking about my compound anyhow, my compound anyhow. This roof, this compound, I gave it to you. I put roof over your head. And now you have the audacity, the effrontery, the temerity to open your rubbish smelling mouth to tell me who is driving over my compound, who is driving inside my compound. So you now have compound. Useless man.
You gave me a roof. You gave me a roof. Sing it like fire. Sing it like fire. Go and tell Catkiss to announce it that you gave me a roof. You gave me a roof. Did you give me a compound? If you want to stand on what you gave me, stand under the roof on the roof. Go and stand there. They have to leave my compound now. Leave my compound.
Schoolless. Aga Akwukwo is your problem. I have to stand over the roof.
Aunt in the one.
monkey.
Aunt in the one.
Negi. Naya. Asina Abuchi onye. I am your chi. I married your sister. She is now my wife. Stop bothering her. Listen, I will do whatever I wish with her. She has become my property. And I paid good money and extra. If you disturb my family again, what I will do to you, you will not stay alive to say it. Nonsense.
What do you do to me? Now, let me show you what. Let me show you what Okuta can do to somebody's glass. I move now. Move it! Let me break this car now. I will show you who I am. Nonsense.
Drop the
Can you imagine?
Drop it.
I should drop it.
You know you don't have money. Drop it.
I told her, don't marry this one. She refused. Marry Ekene. Now you see it. Marry Ekene.
Ekene. The same person in prison. You don't have sense.
Are you the one that sent Ekene to prison?
You're a stupid man.
Are you the one that sent Ekene to prison?
Shut
Nonsense. Back up. Come back here and who will even open the gate? Blessing. I can't get in here. I can't get in here. Like this gate. No problem. You come next time. You get me a roof. Come and collect your roof. Oh. Let me go use umbrella and sleep. Nonsense. You get me a roof. Come and carry your roof. Let me use umbrella.
What's going on here? Where are you taking the box to?
It is what it is, Abuchi. Things are getting worse between us. Can't stand each other. You don't touch me. You don't eat my food. We're practically strangers. I want you to be happy. I want you to be with the woman who makes you happy. So you just say if I go. Good luck.
I'm happy. And that's why you are not going anywhere. You are not moving an inch.
Abuchi, please. Let's not have this fight. Please. Let me go, please.
Walking away is not an option. Nobody walks away from this marriage. Marriage is for better, for worse.
Are you not tired of this? Are you not tired?
I'm just gathering momentum. I'm just, the energy is just overwhelming. You started this in the first place. So, you will be here to end it.
But
okay?
Please.
So, take this bag to the house.
Just let me go.
Listen, I've kissed you now. You like it? So, take the bag back inside the house. Nobody walks away.
Will you stop this? I'm tired of having this fight with you.
Don't touch this bag.
Let me just go up with you, please.
Dado, I'm asking you again. What happened? Because I don't want to be involved in what I don't know. Eh?
See, brother, there is no justification for him throwing her out in the night. What if sister was even killed, raped, or even anything can happen to her on the way now. What are you saying?
What do you know about marriage? Are you married? Do you have a husband?
It's okay.
Even a boyfriend you don't have?
I will marry someday now.
On Sunday? Nonsense. My in-law.
How are you?
You're welcome.
My sister, how are you? My in-law, honestly, I come in peace. I was missing my wife so much and I decided to come and pick her back home.
I am not going anywhere with anybody. You heard her. She's not going anywhere with you, so stand up and go. Woman beater.
Why?
My in-law, you're a man, I'm a man. You are married, I'm married. I want to know. Talk to me like a man. Man to man. What happened? Okay.
Sister?
Eh? I'm going to hear it. Eh?
Obago. My in-law.
Possible. This is shame. Huh? This is so shameful. Hey, Caroline. That a married woman went to sleep with another man. Huh? I feel like hiding my face in shame. Hey! Please, my in-law. I'm pleading. Cover your mouth. Let this case die. Don't let any other ear hear it.
My in-law, you know I love my wife so much. I will do anything to make her happy and also the family. You know, there is this saying in Igbo land that when you go to the market to buy a covered item, it is like marriage. When you buy it, when you get home, if you open it, whatever you see, you take. The way it looks beautiful on the outside might not be the way it seems inside. That is this case. I love my wife so much. And to me, what she did was a mistake out of ignorance. But I will try, as a man that I am, to cover it so that nobody will hear it. But what I want you to do is make sure you convince her to come back, because I'm sure what is happening to her is that she's very shameful. Do you understand? To react, to judge herself before she judges. I'm not judging her. Please, I love my wife so much and I want her back home. I'm missing her. Because
she's your wife. You have every right to come and take her back. But you can see, it's all what happened. She's very weak now, she's tired and she's sick. Let's not drag anything now. Dragging her back. Come back later. Come back later. So that I can talk to her. She will go with you. Instead, I will tell people that nobody quarter gari. That she came here to pack food. Local food that both of you be eating in the city. So think about it. It's alright. She will follow you. My in-law. She will follow you. Next time you come, let me talk to her. So by that time, her sickness will come down. Oh, my neighbor, you are joking. Hi. Right now. Follow me. You are going back to your husband's house. Oh, one making ever. Remember me. Come and follow your husband and go.
Mimi, I don't want to go anywhere. Leave me
Huh? You want to come and stay here? Who will be cooking for your husband? For no time, Arunanya. Huh? You have to go. If you are here, how will I make money? My in-law, you did not come with your car.
No, as I was coming, my car developed fault, so I had to leave it on the road and walk down here so that I won't late. You know, it's getting late.
Oh, I don't want to go. Can't you just leave me alone?
You have to go. You have to go. Okay. Well, let's go.
Sweetheart, let's go, okay? Stop frowning. You should be happy.
Oh yeah, move it.
No. Easy.
Okay.
Sweetheart, let's go.
Go. You want to come back here? Can you better relax, yeah? How will I succeed? Move. Oh yeah, move. See, I must tell you this. I am not enjoying this. This thing must stop. I don't like what is going on. My marriage is about to be destroyed. You understand me? My marriage is about to be destroyed. I'm not enjoying this.
Bia. Chelo. Is it me you are talking to?
Yes, I'm talking to you now.
You are
I'm raising my voice at you. I'm not enjoying this nonsense. I'm not enjoying it.
Apuzi, I know where to go.
You say?
I know exactly where to go.
See, let's talk now. Let's talk. See, my wife is considerate. Let's just tell her everything.
Go ahead and tell her. Oh. I'm not holding you. Yeah. Tell her and I will tell the police.
Huh?
And I will tell the police. Do you know what you did? You killed my husband and you had the guts to talk. Master wife.
Please now, I'm begging you in the name of God. Don't do this now. My marriage is about to be destroyed.
That is about to me. My husband has left me. He left me. Because of who? You! You caused it.
Don't be like this
and you're telling me that's your wife. You can't your wife.
Now, please. Have the fear of God in your heart now. Let me just... Please. My wife.
See, let me tell you, Okudiri, you are in a better position than I am. Your wife is still about to leave. She hasn't even packed her bag. She's just saying that she wants to leave. But my own husband, long gone. So you're in a better position, if you ask me.
Please forget this police thing now. Let me just tell my wife now. I beg you, please.
I'm not holding you. You know the way to your wife, I know the way to police station. Police!
Stop now.
I beg you in the name of God. Allow me to go. Go and concentrate with your girlfriend. Go and stay with your girlfriend. Go and enjoy your life with your mistress. Because enough of this humiliation.
Obi, please now. What will I do without you?
Everything you've been doing without me, continue. Ride on. Go ahead. Why do you want me to stay here? You want me to keep watching the humiliation, the insults? I'm done seeing that rubbish. There's nothing that will make me stay in this house again. Go and meet your wanted wife. I'm the unwanted one. No problem. I am going.
Please now. Don't do this thing now.
Leave her to go. Come back, oh.
Remote again, I pay.
Obi.
Leave my bag. So when Okoli, leave my bag. Leave my bag. There's nothing that will make me not leave this house.
Obi, stop this thing now.
So, I'm about to call police. I'm about to make some calls now. I want to make some calls. I'm about to call. Where are you going to? I will call, oh. I will call police, oh. Come back, oh.
thing now. Don't do this kind of thing now. Let me go and answer my wife now. Don't do this now.
Leave her, she has gone. Leave her to go.
She hasn't gone far.
I will call police. Nothing will stop me from calling police. Come and stay with me. You killed my husband. You know, so you have to stay and take care of me. Sit down here.
Stop this thing you are doing now.
Okoli, sit down here. You must, in fact, now that she's gone, you are going to marry me and take care of me.
You say? You say?
You will marry me. You will marry me.
What kind of talk is that one? Say what?
Don't go far. Police! I will call police.
This thing now.
It will not take. I know exactly how to call police. I know what to do. Sit down. Openly sit down. Leave her. She has gone. Leave her. Apia, sit down. But Legion. Police. Police, yeah.
Abia n'ụlọ ị na-ekwu, abia n'ama onye nsogbu webe ọbụ n'ọsọ gị. Ezigbo afa gị bụ ọbata osu, ọbadaya wekwara ije ụwa nwayọọ. Ọbadaya o.
My husband. My sweet village, handsome, cute husband. Your food is ready. Please, let's go in and eat. What is it? I made a very good food for you and you're going to like it. Let's go in and eat. You have not eaten anything in this house since. Is this what you're going to feed on? Let's go in. I pounded yam very well. You will like it, I'm sure.
Blessing. Blessing. How many times did I call you?
3 times.
Good. It shows that you went to school. You can now count. I'm not eating your food. I'm not eating your food or drink your water in this house again.
Why no?
Yes. I have decided. If your food is the food you prepared, if it's too much, go and give to Pastor Ben. Both of you can now eat.
Why are you mentioning Pastor Ben's name in this issue? You know very well that it doesn't have anything to do with me. Why are you acting so childish? Hey, please.
I'm going to live many years. Leave me. Leave me before my own will start.
Sorry.
Bless. Leave me alone. I said I'm not going to eat your food.
Why now?
I'm not going to eat your food again in this house.
Come and eat now, please.
I will not eat or drink water. I'd rather be eating this thing. On
You're going to die. You've been licking mango since.
Let me die.
What is wrong with you now?
It's obvious to me that Pastor Ben has sent you to kill me. Oh, is this his plan? He's not even smart. He gave you only for it to poison me so that I will die. He will come and take over. Shame on him. That he cannot see any girl to marry. He wants to marry my own wife.
It's okay. I'm okay.
Both of you should adequate.
Okay, sorry. Let's just go and eat first, okay?
Are you telling me sorry?
Let's go and eat.
Am I Pastor?
Come now. Stop doing shakara. Let's go.
Am I Daddy G.O.? Am I Daddy G.O.?
See, the cost of food is not much. If I go inside, the food will just finish. And I will not cook again. So let's go inside.
Continue.
Okay.
Finish it. If you remain, go and give to Pastor Ben.
Are you not going to call me back?
Call you back. Are you a phone number?
Oh, come now. Come, please, now. Fine, ma, come.
Leave me alone.
Please.
Go to Pastor Ben. Both of you should go.
Why do you keep saying Pastor Ben, Pastor Ben? What has that man done to you?
Before I eat your food again, I will become a pastor first. Yes. Until they order me pastor.
Let me carry this stupid man with you.
I will react to. I'm charging.
Okay, I'm going to sit here. If you don't come in, I will sit here with you.
You will sit here?
I will sit here. I will not go anywhere.
If I don't story. Oh, yeah, go again. Let me tell you, I'm not going to touch you until I become a pastor. Until they ordain me a pastor. Because it's obvious that you want the pastor can I like. The pastor can I like.
We will sit outside together.
I'm not Pastor Ben. Until I have white beards.
Pastor Ben.
Until I have white beards. If I have white beards, I cannot touch you.
Hey.
For now, stay on your own. You and Pastor Ben, if you remain the food, take to him. Both of you can eat in his house. Nonsense.
Let's go.
You see, my kinsmen, they will soon ordain me pastor.
Let's go in.
I will go pastoring school.
You're going to like the food though.
More.
You know I cook food.
Mamma, never. I will not like it. I will not touch it.
You're acting so childish.
Neither will I smell it.
Hey.
No, let me act elderly. Let let me act elderly. Or is it you that is dangling with the pastor? What are you acting?
Don't worry.
Womanhood. Nonsense.
I will sit here with you today. I'm not going anywhere.
If you like, go. If you like, stay. As for me, no more eating of your food. No more drinking your water. It's rather see mango here. I will continue to eat mango until I die. Even me, I'm not going to die.
No problem. Eat this mango and die, since that's what you want.
I'm not going to die. This is your plan with your pastor. Daddy G.O. He has given you olive oil to come and kill me. I will not die, oh. I refuse to die is my name. On your own. I will live long till the day I will die. Nonsense. I'm still a small boy now. I'm going to go grow old with the white beards. Nonsense.
Hello. Good day. How are you? You look worried. Is there anything the matter?
Yes, thank you.
Please, forgive my manners. My name is Abuchi, and if you don't mind, I would love to take you where you're going to. You look absolutely amazing. Please, don't say no, please. Oh, thank you.
What money?
The money I kept in the room. I kept it inside here.
The money? The money?
Yes, now. The money was here.
The money is not in your room?
No, it's not there.
The money is not in your room?
No, I cannot find the money.
Hey!
Oh my God, you're really looking good.
Hey, sister! So you look so good.
Oh, thank you so much. So how are you?
Hey, look at your sister now. I'm fine. Sister, when did you return from Chad?
I'm just coming back from there now.
Hey.
So I decided to visit you first before going to see Mama.
You did well. Thank you.
And the last time Mama and I spoke, she told me how bad your husband treats you. But don't worry. I'm here now to straighten his head.
I trust you. I trust
reminds me,
you.
where is Obadiah?
That one. I don't know where he went to, but I'm sure he'll be back soon. Hey, sister, I'm so happy to see you. Welcome.
I'm happy too.
Welcome. You brought this.
Of course.
I trust you.
You should.
Hey,
you should know what
you're welcome to my house. Welcome. Hey.
Blessing. Blessing, come out. Come out now. Show and tell me why you went to cut that plantain. Who gave you the order? Better come out with a good explanation, oh. If you don't have good explanation, you better have casket. Come out with it, because I'm killing you today. What nonsense? Eh? What the call plantain may business?
Why are you shouting? What is it?
Hey! Agiliga, my in-law, is this you? Hey, you're welcome. Where is my sister, your wife? Sorry, sorry. My wife, your sister. When did you come? No, welcome.
I thought you were shouting.
Me shouting?
Yes.
How can I shout?
Your voice. I heard your voice.
No, I wasn't shouting. You know I have a public voice. When it's in loudspeaker, everybody will be hearing me. You know, I used to go to morning cry when I used to preach to sinners to repent. So I had to increase the volume so that when sinners are fornicating, they will hear me. That's it. And now I'm used to it. But sometimes I used to reduce my volume down. How can I shout in my own house? Hey, I cannot shout.
You know what the problem is? You talk too much.
It's the problem. And everybody is saying it. I'm trying to control it. Problem, too much talk. Where is the blessing? Sorry. You see this? Blah, blah. Blah, blah, my love. Where is she? Is she sleeping? Blibby. Has she given you anything? Mango and we don't have mango again. Have you eaten? What of your army commandant? How is he? What of war front? Hope everybody is dying. Hey. Now, wow. Where is your sister? Has she given you anything? Blessing. Blah, blah. Is she sleeping? You are welcome. Come, sorry. Forgive my... Come and sit down. Eh? Hey, Angelica. Come with the go check. Come and sit down. Come and sit down. Come, what? We have just... Where is my love? My wife. You know I love her so. She did not tell you. Is she sleeping? Let her sleep. I like her to sleep. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You are welcome. Hey, you did not tell us that you are coming. You know I like you so much. Every time I'll be asking my wife, what of your sister Onyami? She don't no longer come and visit us. And sometimes I'll be dreaming, see you when you come. And I'm offering you something. I say, I'm missing your sister, let her come. But you no longer come. She told me that you went to Chad to die in war front. I say, I'll be keep praying for you. Don't die, don't die. You are welcome. Has she given you anything to eat? Or is she cooking? She's supposed to cook. I gave her big money. Big money. You know I love your sister so much. Let me see if Mazio can.
Where are you going to? Come back here.
I'm not.
Come back here.
I hold my cap, you think I will run. I'm not running away. Hold my slippers.
Stand there.
Been like this since yesterday. Please eat something. Your baby needs food. Please. Please.
I'm not hungry. I am not hungry. Tell your wife to return my money.
Please. I will find in kitchen. But you have to eat first. Your baby needs food to grow and be healthy. Please.
If you truly care about me and my baby, Tell your wife to return my money. Tell her to return my hard-earned money. You think I don't know it's both of you that stole that money? You think I'm foolish? You think I'm stupid?
Carol, please. Stop talking like this, please. I might be many things, but I am not a thief. I'm not a thief. I might be poor, but I'm not a thief.
Unfortunately, you are. You and your arm robber wife, both of you are broad daylight arm robbers. You connived with your wife and stole my money. Hapu, I will curse both of you my unborn child. Let me not see that money.
Carol, I know Nkechi. I'm sure she took this money just to punish me. The money is still intact. I know her. But please, manage and eat. Eat, please. Eat. Your baby needs food. Eat. Please.
You don't want to sit down.
I don't want to sit.
Afghan standing up is in your blood. Next time you become a soldier.
Say me whatever you want to say. I'm cooking.
It's alright. Blessing. So you want to take charge in my own house? You want to become the man while I become the wife? Is that what you want? You want to rule in my house?
This man, what have I done again this time around? What is my offense?
I want to know. If you want to become the head, let me become the tail. Then you start giving me your wig, let me wear. Eh? You'll be wearing my trouser. So you went to bring your sister to visit us without my consent as the man of the house. Is that how small I am now? Eh?
Obadiah, let me understand what you are saying. Is there anything wrong if my sister come over here to visit us?
Yes.
Is she not welcome here?
She's not.
In my own house?
Never. She's not welcome. Eh? How can she be welcome with a gun? In my own house?
Hey.
Eh? You think I don't have gun? Listen. No. When people buy gun, no. On those days in school, I used to draw gun.
What is going on here? Is there any problem?
No problem, my in-law. You know, my wife and I, we are trying to figure out what we are going to be cooking for you so that you'll be comfortable, you know?
Blessing, is that true?
My food is burning. I'm coming.
No, we are trying to, you see. Please make sure the food, you don't get burnt too. How many people don't like food that is burnt? We are trying to iron out how to make you comfortable in this house. That's it. As you...
Come back here. Sit down. I said here. Stand up and sit on the bench.
You know, my doctor told me though, I should not be sitting on bench. And plastic will do better.
I believe you don't want to get me angry. So your doctor told you not to be sitting on bench, that plastic is better. Or you lie down on the floor, or better still, do frog jump. Now. Frog jump. Now. I believe you don't want to get me angry. Drop the chair back. I don't want to get angry. Is that how to do front job in your village? Is that how to do front job in your village? Lazy cat. Only mad. Just on looking one.
Where do you think you're going to? Eh? Oh, you think I'm stupid? You want to leave me in this miserable house by myself, okay?
Please, what is all this? Carol, I am going to look for Nkechi. Please, let me go and find Nkechi. I'll be back soon.
Oh, we are going together. Anywhere you go, I will follow you. We will go together. You and that your armed robber wife connived and stole my money, okay? Both of you are thieves. Don't she? You stole my money, and now you want to leave me in this house to be miserable by myself. I see you lie. Anywhere you go, I will follow you and we'll go and find my money. Armed robbers.
Thieves! Doshi!
You have a filthy mouth. I mean, I don't understand the way your mind works. I don't understand. You have a filthy mouth and a filthy mind. Please, I'm going to look for Nkechi. I don't want to discuss this with you. I'm not in the mood. Let me go and look for Nkechi, find her, and bring her back.
When we move. We move. Anywhere you go, we go together. We are going to find Nkechi, your thief wife, both of you. We are going to find where you pocket my money. We are going to find it. Let's be going. But me and a guy follow you.
Can you just stop?
Oh.
Listen. I know why I'm quiet. I know why I'm quiet.
Why won't you be quiet? You have my money now. Rich people are always very quiet. You have used my money to become rich, you and your wife, and you want to plan and run away and leave me here.
Stop. If you're going to go with me, you have to hold your tongue. Hold your tongue. Please, hold your tongue.
I don't know what is wrong with my
Hold your tongue.
Anywhere you are going, we are going together.
Hold your tongue.
We are going together, Okudili.
Hold your tongue.
Anywhere you and your wife kept my money, we are going to find.
She got the vibes. She got the moves. Somebody daughter, straight to the top. This love is just the shamaya. Amalicha baby, marama. Ooh, you scared me. How long have you been here?
Sweetheart, long enough to notice how beautiful you are. Wow, what did you prepare? Baby, tell me, what's cooking?
Jollof rice.
My favorite.
Really?
Wow. Listen, let me just rush up, freshen up, and come down fast to experience this Nigerian jollof rice.
Okay.
I hope and know that it's going to be as sweet and beautiful as you are.
Stop! I know it's you enjoy it. It's sumptuous.
I believe you. Gosh. Baby.
Stop.
Whoa. Hi. Odarampi one cash.
Stop.
So guess what? I got something fascinating for you.
Really?
Guess what?
Oh, but Dad. Come here. Hurry up and sweep this thing and stop lazying around.
I'm doing it.
And don't forget, once you're done, hurry inside and fix something for me to eat. I am hungry.
Blessing is doing it. Bless.
No. I don't want Blessing. You go inside and do it yourself. Blessing is busy doing some house chores. Go inside, fix the food for me and let me eat. I am hungry.
It's alright.
And don't forget, your time is ticking. Now, move it, you bloody civilian.
If you want me, I can get for you. There's still food in the pot.
It's so delicious. Right. This food is delicious. God.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it. When you left, I'm like, it won't be nice for you to come back and not have food to eat and there's a woman at home. That doesn't show good of me. It doesn't tell good of me, so I decided to make us some.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sweetheart, in fact, you are God sent. This food is so delicious, and that's beautiful of you and very thoughtful of you. Wow, it's lovely. I like it. The things I got for you, do you like them?
No.
You love them?
I don't like them. I love them. They are beautiful. Thank you so much.
I almost fainted because I'm not good with getting the perfect things for women and all that. So I was actually thinking that if you don't like them, we'll go back to the boutique. You make a change, just say what you like. But I am so amazed and astonished and happy that you like them.
I love them. Thank you so much.
Well, this food is delicious. I love them. I'll be having a business meeting this evening.
Okay.
I was thinking if you could accompany me since I don't have anyone to go with me. Time 7 p.m. tonight.
Okay. I'll be ready by 7. Before 7 rather.
Wow. You are a good cook.
Thank you.
And I will love you too.
Slow down, you will not slow down. You are walking very fast now. You think I don't know your plan? You want to walk fast and reach front so that you will make your evil plans with evil people and come and kill me like you killed my husband.
What's wrong with you now? What's wrong with you now? What's all this? Why are you making noise? Don't you know that the trees, the walls, they have ears? The walls will now start flying. What's your problem now? What's your problem?
Oh, so you can actually stop. Okay, so you can actually... There are brakes on this, your legs. Manizioku, I'm tired. Okudili, I'm tired. Let's go home and rest. Tomorrow we'll continue.
What I need you to do now, is shut up your mouth. Go home. Go and rest. Let me go and look for Nkechi.
I'm going with you. I'm going to find my money with you.
And go home.
You want to hide my money away with your wife so that you and your wife will carry my money and run away. That's it. You and that's your unproper wife.
Go home now. Go home.
I'm not going.
Go home. Go home first.
I'm not going. No, put your coming with you. Oh, now I think I don't know your plan. I'm going to do blood.
Thank God I met you too. I was on my way to your own house. And you see, yes. Well, somehow and somehow not. I and Nkechi had small problem. One small argument too. She got angry. Then she now left.
She left my money. She stole my money and ran away. Tell her that your sister is a thief. She stole my money. No, my sister, Nkechi, a thief. Nkechi has never stolen in her life before. Nkechi is not a thief. Odili, who is this woman?
She's
Don't swear! Don't swear for your sister. If you swear, you will die for nothing. You will die for nothing. You will die for nothing. Because she's a thief. Yeah.
What's all this now? See. This one is too. Calm down first. Calm down.
I will show you how to money can work now. Now.
Calm down first. Calm down. understand? When your spirit cannot find your shadow, go. I'm tired. You are a curse. You understand me? You are cursed and you're a bigger curse.
Hey! Okudili, I will go.
Go!
Yes.
Yes.
I will go.
Yes.
But guess what? So say to the police station, I am going to tell them how you killed my husband and held me and my baby hostage.
But wait.
Remember, leave my bag.
What do you mean by that? Just police, you to think now. Think. If you go and tell the police now, have you forgotten that it was me and you that buried him together? So me and you will enter problem.
Okudi, no wonder, I forgive you. No wonder you ended up in the village. You are not an intelligent person. So you believe that anybody in this country will believe you when you tell them that a heavily pregnant woman like me killed a man and buried the man with you? Bonyala. Because leave my bag.
Wait first now. You don't understand things so sometimes. Also, since you have stayed in this house with me, you still don't know the way I behave. This bag has been inside now. I just brought it out to, just sun it.